Most deck frame rot from the inside. By the time you see the damage, it's already too late. Here's how to stop it before it happens. Hey, I'm Luan, founder of Deck Bros. If there's one part of the deck build that separates the contractors, it's the waterproofing. You can have beautiful composite wall on top, but if moisture gets into the frame, you're building a rotting skeleton under a pretty shell. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how we waterproof every single frame we build, what product we use, why they matter, and how to catch the mistake most people make before it's too late. Let's get into it. Think of the frame as the bone structure of the deck. The decking board are the surface, the railing is the finish. But joist, the frame underneath, that's a skeleton that everything else is built on. And if that skeleton isn't solid, nothing above it is solid either. Here's what actually happens when water gets in. Moisture fly the connection point first, where the deck board sits on the joist, where the joist meet the ledger boards. Those are the entry point most people miss. Water get in, it's poor. It's never fully dry, and wood that stay wet rots. The problem is, none of that is visible from the outside. By the time someone notices something is wrong, the damage has already been happening for years. That's the real danger of skipping waterproofing. You don't find out until it's expensive. The material that actually works. The product that solved the problem is joist tape. Joist tape seals the connection between the deck board and the joist. The top surface of the joist, the part that takes the most direct moisture exposure, gets fully protected. Water hits the tape, not the wood. It runs off instead of sitting. The joist stays dry. The waterproofing process, step by step. Here is exactly what we do on every build. Step 1. If there is no underneath drainage system, every joist gets properly taped. No exposed top surface on any structure. Step 2. Put the deck board on and install the deck board. Step 3. Put the railing on and we are done. We run the water to the system, stimulate to see if water pours in any joist. We do it for a minimum 3 times before we finish this out the deck. Here's where I see contractor and DIY consistently fall short. The joist gets exposed between the tape run. Someone is moving fast. Tape gets skipped on a section because the schedule is tight. That one uncovered section is where the rot starts. The second thing I see, especially on DIY build, is people who skip joist protection entirely and tack a piece of tin roofing underneath, slope at an angle. Here's the problem with that. It's not a closed system. It slows the water, doesn't eliminate it. And what it actually creates is a dark, damp environment. The perfect place for moisture to sit directly against your joist. By the time anyone looks under there, the wood has already been compromised from below for years. DIY versus professional application. Here's the honest answer on the DIY. Applying joist tape yourself is doable. The technique is learnable. Where breakdown is in the details. I had a client reach out to me in 2022. Has already done his own footing, framing, and drainage install. He called because it was still leaking. Almost 4 years later, still not right. We came out, reframed the deck, pulled the drainage, reinstalled everything correctly, tested it, and had him a functioning deck in 7 days. The right material installed wrong, performed the same at the wrong material. You go DIY, joist tape's manageable. Drainage system, installation, and proper slope, that's where I bring in a professional. The long-term payoff. Here's what skipping waterproofing actually costs. An unprotected joist exposed the element lasts about 10 years. The composite decking you put on top of it, 30 years, 50 years, sometimes more. If you have 50 years deck surface sitting on a 10-year frame, at year 10, you're not just replacing the joist, you're tearing up the deck to get to up. You're pulling the railing, you're redoing work that was already done. You're paying for it twice. The practical answer is joist tape. Apply correctly, verify with testing every single time. The goal is simple. Make your frame last as long as your decking. That's how you build something that doesn't come back to haunt you. Here's what I want you to take from this. Tape every joist, no exception. Soak your drainage away from the house. Test before you close it up, 3 times minimal. And never build a closed system you can't inspect later. The frame is the foundation of everything. Protect it like it is. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We put out real content with real process and zero gatekeeping. We'll see you next time.